a fly. Hello there, and welcome to Rossley's Ghoulies. So, close the curtains and turn out the lights. Well, not all the lights. Just lost my chair there. I mean, leave your reading light on. You don't want to trip over the cat now, do you? And here's what's coming up on today's show.
In Caught by the Ghoulies, our victim gets a fright when he opens his shed. Zombie Anchor's got a surprise in BeastEnders. There's no surprises for our slime-covered contestants in Monster Mind. Plus, there's more from Stephen Freak, Blood and Guts, and the Saturdays get the scariest surprise when they're in detention with Professor Von Monster.
Oh, yes. It's going to be, horrifically hilarious.
You're not funny. Who's going to laugh at a bum bag like you?
I've just sat down and already is piped up. Listen, you, right? People are more likely to laugh at me than a horrible, putrid, sweaty little bag of an armpit like you, Sonny Jim.
Oh, yeah? I'll have you know I performed a stand-up gig last week at a local jar. Sellout it was. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name's Armpit, distant relation of Brad Pitt, and married to Stop It. Not tonight, I've got a headache. An armpit mate of mine went to see that Star Wars the other day. He's a big fan of Oda. I'm here a week.
Well, no, seriously, Armpit, I never knew. That's amazing. Did you make a lot of money on the door?
Nah, pitiful. Get it? Because I have an armpit.
I'll set my alarm clock off as a reminder. The thing is, I can't remember for the life of me what I say it for. Hang on, let's have a look. Oh, will you shut up? There we go. That's better, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, is that you?
No.
What? What is it that you're trying to say to me? What is it you're trying to say? Grandma's coming to stay. I don't understand. Stop giving me all these subliminal messages. You're playing with me mind. Just spit it out, man. Grandma's coming to stay. Grandma's coming to stay. Grandma's coming to stay. Grandma's coming to stay. I've not seen her for years. Oh, I love grandmas, me. They're brilliant. They're like little babies, aren't they? They're bald and they're wrinkly and they're grey and they've got no teeth and some of them even wear nappies. Fantastic! Oh, shall I put her onto radio while we wait for Grandma to come? Here we go. And I know that's gonna be a sunny day today. Yeah, I love you, baby. How grim.
Hello. My name is Screaming Lord Grimace. And it is that part of the show where I will read you a sickly story that may just make you quake in your boots. This week's grim tale was written by Kerry with an I, Atkins, and it goes just a little bit like this. One day I was very excited to find out that my father was taking us out for a surprise trip to Skegness. Best fish and chips in the world there. It was whilst on the motorway I realised that I had drunken far too much dandelion and burdock juice and feared I was going to get caught short. I pleaded with Father to pull over so I could go and pee in the lay-by, but he refused as we were driving at 71 miles per hour down the fast lane. 70 miles per hour is the actual speed limit. Maniac should be incarcerated. my mother decided to solve the problem by passing me an empty yogurt pot for me to direct my pee-pee into. With no choice, I mounted the pot and aimed the pee-pee with precision. This procedure worked for approximately 5 seconds, but I had another 15 seconds to go, and I went all over the back seat. How grim is that? If you have a grim tale, then why not send it in to me here at the castle? And if it is sickly sweet, I may just insert it into my Cremosaurus. But remember...
If it's not grim, don't send it in.
Da-ti-ta.
How grim was that? Do you know what? There's nothing more I love than tucking into a lovely yoghurt while watching a grim tale. Amazing. Although this is very yellow and very warm. And it's certainly not... It's not... Tarquin? What flavour is this?
They're all natural ingredients, Master. All my own natural ingredients.
Ross, do you mind? That just missed me.
Do you know what's worse than that? I actually quite like it. Anyway, while you watch SpongeBob SquarePants, I'm going to start dusting my desk for when Grandma arrives. Ah, lovely, lovely, lovely. Dust into everywhere. Dusty, dusty, dust, dust. Hello.
Pest control.
Eeps. This is a little bit worrying. That's the pest control man, and this place is oozing with pests. Excuse me, sir, but I've got no pests in this house whatsoever. This floor is spotless. I eat my dinner off this floor. Just this morning, I had egg, bacon, fried mushrooms. They were nice. Baked
That's
beans.
exactly the problem, sir. You see, on pest control, I'm here to make sure you have the required amount of pests in a controlled environment.
Right.
And at present, your pest level is not above the legal requirement. So, give me some space. Spiders. Maggots. Squirrels. Good. Now, tell me, you got any wasps?
No.
Bees?
No.
You telling me you haven't got one bee in this place?
No.
Well, I'll leave this with you then.
What's that?
It's a Banzai bumblebee tree nest from eastern Timbuktu. Water it every day and it will grow and grow, as will your population of bees. The wetter, the better.
Ah.
Right, well, I'm off, mate. Catch you later.
Oh, it's a bit lucky, innit? I thought we were going to get caught by the Ghoulies then, which, funnily enough, brings us to the next part of the show, which is Caught by the Ghoulies, where I will be playing many an evil trick on your friends and loved ones. Hey, Armpit?
Yeah. Idiot.
So, without further ado, let's welcome today's Chaos Conjurer!
Come on, this way, you. Hurry it up. We ain't got all day. There, sit.
Greetings. Did you enjoy the ghost train ride?
Yeah.
You liked it? You don't look very scared. You should be coming off that vehicle like this.
He's a tough nut.
Is he a tough nut?
Yeah.
Nah, pull us a ghoulie face.
That's a good one.
Can you pull a ghoulie face, Armpit? You just lost your face. You got no face. No shame. What I would like to do now is have a look at the stunt that you pulled, but I'd like to know who is it that you set up and why?
It was my dad because he screams like a girl.
Screams like a girl.
Good reason.
Can you do an impersonation of him screaming like a girl?
No.
Now, I'll tell you what, shall we just watch it? Let's just watch it. Harrison's dad screaming like a girl.
Greetings to you, and welcome to Caught by the Ghoulies. My name is Vincent Van Gross, your horror host ghost, and today you find me in the middle of a football pitch. What you doing in the middle of the football pitch? Well, keepy uppy. Today I will be scoring a goal with my very own team, a team of the undead, and they will be tackling Harrison's father, who apparently screams like a girl. Well, I can't wait to hear his high-pitched shrieks as he goes to collect his balls from the training ground shed in what I have called
We're not on a lawn this week. We're actually in the shed. Well, I think we should change the name to... I don't care what you say. I am finally going to make an executive decision. All right.
in what I have called Lord of the Dead.
All right, is it? Oh, sorry.
Dead of the Dead. So, Horty, let's get naughty.
Look at me in my sports kit. But this is nothing. Look at me zombie bite. Come on, let's go and hide.
So, with our hidden cameras in place, Harrison's dad arrives at the training ground and makes his way to the shed. The shed of terror. The shed of the dead. Little does he know that we have a surprise in store for him. Well, that scared the living daylights out of him. Let's see that again. The fun isn't over yet, though, as it's time for yours truly to make an appearance.
I've been in there for 7 days. Look what they've done to my arm. They've been biting me and scratching me for 7 days. They're coming back. They're coming back. And you've just been caught by the Ghoulies.
So Harrison's dad not only screams like a girl, but he jumps like one too.
Is this what you're doing, young man?
Let's see it one more time with our screamometer. That's a 5.8 on the screamometer. Not bad for a man who screams like a girl.
Harrison, did you like that? The only problem was he didn't actually scream like a girl. I wanted to hear him scream. Is that how you would have sounded? Anyway, your dad scored. Tarquin, I believe it was a 5.8 on the screamometer.
5.8.
5.8, so stick it on there for all to see, so it can go down in the annals of terror history. How do you feel? Are you happy about your little stunt? Yeah? Here we go. It just keeps getting better and better. A Ghoulie bag full of terrifying things. It's packed. There's a doll of me, there's a T-shirt, and there's a ticket to the London Dungeon. There we go, so don't be a dummy. And get out of here!
Go on.
Get it!
Get
Pop
out.
it! Go on!
Get out.
Right, now, on to more important things. It's time for you, me, and everyone out there to watch my all-time favourite horror soap. And when I say horror soap, I don't mean those bars of soap that you find at the side of your bath covered in curly hairs. No, I mean BeastEnders, of course. Now then, where have I put the remote control? Down here. What are you laughing at, you sack of spud?
Nothing. I'm just happy, you know, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, feeling a bit nuts today, you know. I don't want to get on your back about it.
You've lost it. Ah, here we go. Here it is. Come on. Come on. Come on, remote, come on. Quicker. You're a lot quicker when you were younger. He's losing it.
Get a move on.
Spare parts. My limbs are a cut above the rest, make no bones about it. Oh, a pound of eyes, what a surprise! A pound of all for one and all. Oh, zombie anchor, what can I do for you?
I'm looking for the invisible man. Can you give me a hand?
Oh, the invisible man. Do you know what? Thinking about it, I've not seen him around here for ages. Hey. Look, I tell you what, why don't you go and try and... Pauline Howler, down the laundrette, just over there. I hate it when it does that. It really smarts. Well, that's the last time I'm doing a service wash for the mummy. Look at this. Blood, sweat, tears, wee. Hello, Pauline. Ow! What do you want? Can't you see I'm busy? It's a full moon tonight. Puts me in a dog of a mood this time of month. I'm looking for the invisible man. The invisible man. The invisible man. I've not seen him around here for ages. I tell you what, why don't you go see Cat Slaughter down at the Scream Vic? She'll do you a lovely decaffeinated latte. Hello, zombie anchor. I thought I could smell something funny. What can I do for you?
I'm looking for the invisible man.
The invisible man? Well, we've not seen him round here for a while. Why are you looking for him?
Oh, I've got something very important to tell him.
Oh, have you? Anything you've got to tell him, you tell me first.
Why?
Why? I'm seeing him. How many have you had? You said you weren't going to drink today. You've got no substance, you.
I've heard that someone's looking for me.
Yes, it's me.
What are you doing? What are you doing here?
Do you know her?
Yeah, we were seeing each other a long, long time ago.
I've got something to show you.
What is it?
Look. Please, this is yours.